Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon today to show you a brand new 2019 Winnebago Travato Class B motorhome. Now Class Bs are special because they're small and portable. They are really versatile, they get great mileage. And then this particular one's extra special because it's a front wheel drive. So it's kind of the Subaru of motorhomes. You can do really well on high passes where you've got inclement weather, maybe even some snow and ice. The front wheel drive is going to give you some big advantages in travel. So I'm really excited about this. It's also a V6 rig with a gas motor, so it's not as expensive as some of the big Sprinter rigs and others that you see, and it gets really decent mileage compared to other kinds of motorhomes too. Let's take a look at the inside for starters, and then we'll go around the out. Okay. So, the thing about this rig is it's perfect for two people. It is not a big family rig. It's really got only two forward-facing seatbelt positions. It does have a couple other small seat belts, like, you know, utility belts some RVs have, but it's not a comfortable seating like the front two seats. In the front of the vehicle, we've got just a conventional automobile up here. It is very, very drivable, and you may notice there's a lot of footwell space because this doesn't have a big motor block the way most motorhomes have. So there's plenty of room down there for your feet, especially guys like me that have big feet. It's nice to have some space. Also, it's very, very complete. You know, this is a rig with ABS and navigation and backup camera and all the kinds of technologies that people are looking to have in their vehicles that they might drive even every day. In fact, that's one of the great things about a B-Van. It's not just a motorhome, it's a multi-passenger vehicle. It can tow things. It can do all kinds of stuff, and that's the beauty of these. So anyway, comfortable driving compartment, you're going to enjoy a lot. Let's go to the back. One of the great things about this design is that the bathroom's at the very back. Now, if you look at some, especially small RVs, the bathroom being in the middle has a tendency to make things really tight and congested. You'll see that this coach has a lot of openness in it. The bathroom's the part that I really use the least. It's where I am the least. So I don't really need it right in the middle of everything. And back here is perfect. It's got some storage back here, and it's got some drawer space. It's got a toilet and a sink that comes right down out of the sidewall. It's portable. It's a smart design, and it doesn't waste any space, as I said. There's privacy curtains and shower curtains that go around in here. Now you can see here we've got two long beds. Now, most coaches don't have really comfortable bedding areas because you're not in bed very often. This one here with the twin beds is great because you can just drop right in and out of bed. You can get up and get out. You have a great access to the back of the coach. And these things have little headrests on them. I love this. So we can just latch those up. Whoop. There, like that. That's what I'm driving at. So it can be kind of a lounge area. This TV here swivels toward the bedding area, or you might just want to lay there and read a book. Also, this has a large table that can be set up in the middle of these twos, and so you could sit here like seating, but it can also be made into a bed. So the table can set down in a way, and these central cushions can fill in. So you really can make a queen bed, but this configuration here is probably the most common way it's used. Now, another thing that we see in this rig is there's a lot of windows. There's no bulkheads or obstructions in here, and there's a lot of room for windows, and they've really taken it to the next level on these because this has the dual pane window with the built-in screens, and the panes are plexiglass, so these are lightweight, but they're very, very good insulation. Most windows don't really provide a lot. Now I can pull that up for a screen, and I can drop it down for that kind of screen. That's kind of neat. Also, just a quick thing I want to show you here, I can open that right up, right outside. I can also latch this window so that it's secure but still in a ventilated position so I can get some airflow in here. There's a lot to that window. I really think they were doing their job when they designed that. Now in the Galley we have a nice electric fridge. This is one of the new compressor fridges. It's so efficient. And also we've got a built-in microwave convection oven. So you can bake with this or you can use it to nuke stuff. And then we have a neat Galley. And this little unit comes out, and all the stuff you need for washing and cleaning and cutting and doing all that stuff's right here. It even has a little dish dryer set up. I'm just going to drop that right back in. It's got a flush mount stovetop here with a glass top. And of course, nothing but counter space up here. This is great. Some drawer space, and there's a cutting board that comes out. This also doubles as a table. So when this seat, I haven't told you this yet, but these front seats swivel around and be part of the living area. This is part of that. That gives you a table for this one. And on this side, there's another one that comes up like this. So when these seats are swiveled, I have two tables. Therefore, I can set my bedding area up here and do my sitting around up here. I don't have to always be converting everything. I totally love this layout because, and you can see up here, just nothing but storage. Tons and tons of storage. So you've got loads of places to put stuff in these. There's even a nice compartment up in the front overhead here that you can store stuff. Okay, let's step out and I'll show you a little bit about the exterior. One thing they have going on this is really nice. It's got a built-in screen so I can have this open for fresh air, keep all the bugs out. We've got a nice big running board all the way along the bottom here, great looking aluminum wheels. And I do like the kind of the lack of graphics, the monochrome look to this. It's very sleek and it's not obtrusive. You can have this be in your driveway and people aren't going to wince when they drive by. Some motorhomes have an awful lot of decals and things on them. This is a really nice looking rig. It's also got a power awning up here on top. And you can see that we have outside speakers and porch lighting. This is a solar panel connector, so I can add additional solar to reinforce my batteries. I should mention this is a fully self-contained RV, so it has the capacity for solar on it, on both portable and up on top. And also, it's got a generator, so you can run it, make your 110 power wherever you are, reinforce your batteries. You don't need to go to a campground with a plug-in. This is a rolling power plant. Okay, now, as we look on the back, really cool stuff here. Whoop. This has revolutionized everything for me. That's a bike rack. Now, usually people pull trailers or they use up their hitch area to carry their bikes because you can't really fit them up on top of the rig, right? So this one here is made a bike rack and it's removable if you don't want it on there, but totally great to be able to take your bikes. And then you see back here, there's a ladder. And this ladder goes up to a roof rack. And this has a rack on the roof that you can put solar panels on. It'll hold up to 300 watts of solar. You can put kayak racks, put those J cradles up there and carry kayaks or canoes up on top. You can put cargo bays up there. Whatever you want to haul, you can. And this ladder is removable, so I can take it off and I can access the top of the rig anywhere here. Now for 30 years, I've been selling camper vans. I've always wanted to have a way to put things on the roof, and this is really the first and best solution I've ever seen. I'm totally excited about that. That makes this vehicle perfect for an active couple that is wanting to go out and just do all kinds of stuff, biking, kayaking, whatever turns you on. Anyway, I'm running on and on with this thing, but I totally love this rig. I think it's a great choice. This is the Travato 59K 2019, and it's available here at Guaranty RV. I'd love to show it to you in person, and I'm also happy to answer any questions you have, so feel free to give me a call. My number is 541-954-8495, and my name's Matt.Elliott. Thanks for watching the video. You have a great day.